Good morning, everyone. I am Prasad Auti from Philips Machine Tools, India. I advocate advanced manufacturing education. And first of all, I would like to wish best wishes on the World Youth Skills Day. And thanks for joining this session. Today, we will talk about the Haas Technical Education Center and Haas Certification Program. Haas Technical Education Center is a concept based on hands-on skills, that is hone your skills and share your expertise. It's a unique program from Haas Automation Inc. USA, and Philips Machine Tools India is encouraging all the institutes and also the industries to hone their manpower skills and share their expertise with each other. The concept of Haas Technical Education Center. So before that, let me introduce about Haas. Haas is among top machine tool builders around the world. The Haas Automation Inc. was established in 1983 by Mr. Gene Haas in Oxnard, California, USA. To date, they have 1.6 million square feet factory in Oxnard, California. The beauty of Haas is they build their own control system. That is Haas CNC system, Haas computer numerical control system, which is industry 4 ready. Means it has all the latest features, the connectivity features, and the latest cutting edge software. Haas is into the VMC, that is vertical machining centers, HMC, horizontal machining centers, and UMC, that is universal machining centers. Normally we call it 5-axis machining centers. Also the uniqueness of Haas is that they have their own rotary tables, that is 4th axis and 5th axis. And the Haas CNC system itself, it is enabled with the 4th and 5th axis standard. You just need to plug in a rotary, and same control will support the 4th and 5th axis machining also. That is the beauty of Haas system. Then in CNC lathe or turning centers, and for education, the simulator system. These simulators have both the softwares, that is milling, turning, turn mill with C-axis, Y-axis, and this simulator can be connected to a projector, and it is very good for the classroom training. To date, Haas has sold more than 200,000 products worldwide. Out of that, more than 10,000 installations are in India. Haas has a unique concept of factory outlets, that is HFO, that is Haas factory outlets. Worldwide, there are more than 200 plus HFOs. Out of that, more than 10 HFOs are in India. Another beauty of the Haas is HaasCNC.com. You can go and build your own machine, and you can get your own quotation, your own price. So that is build and price option is also available. For the learning resources, Haas has prepared a separate link, the online learning resources. You can just go on Google and search for Haas Learning Resources. So these learning resources, I will just take you through. So this Haas Learning Resources is a common platform. It's an open source information. Whether you have Haas or not, that is open system for all. It is having all the CNC system manuals, training documents, and beauty of this Haas Learning Resources is the tip of the day. That is, we call it TOD. So this TOD feature, every day Haas put on the latest tips about the CNC machining. So I would like to play a small video about Haas as an introduction.
On this production line right here, we build our small and medium VMCs. And then we ship them to machine shops and manufacturers on every continent. As one of the world's leading machine tool builders, this factory stays very busy. I'd like to show you how we get it done and why your next machine should be a Haas.
So Haas makes a lot of machines. What does this mean for me? It means that nobody is better than Haas Automation at designing and building the machine that's right for you. Each and every machine is built in this single factory in Southern California, and our engineers are literally just feet away from the production floor. When a change needs to happen, they can be on the assembly line instantly implementing those changes. This ensures that the building process is constantly monitored, which allows us to maintain a level of quality that others can't match. Other machine tool builders with multiple factories spread all over the world just can't react as quickly. So how does Haas build machines? Every critical part is machined right here in our own machine shop by folks that have been doing this for decades. With over 50% of our machine shop using our own machines, we truly have Haas machines making Haas machines. Supervisors and managers are out on the floor. These guys don't have desks upstairs in the air conditioning. Issues are identified and attacked immediately. And improvements to the process are always being made by the machinists and builders who are actually doing the work. The assembly procedures here in the Haas factory follow a very strict protocol, with quality checks made continuously throughout the process. Work instructions and specifications are all communicated to the production floor via iPad. No more paperwork, which might have incorrect or obsolete instructions or specs. If engineering makes a change, when the assembler fires up his iPad, he receives a notification of that change. But the iPads aren't just for instructions. They also serve to create a live electronic record. Each machine, of course, has a serial number. And as the machine is built, the hundreds of measurements taken by hand are entered into this record, along with the assembler's name and badge number, allowing us to generate a detailed report for every machine coming off our assembly lines. These guys take pride in the machines they build, and the data is there to back it up. What about the components used on Haas machines?
Because we build so many machines, we have a huge advantage when it comes to buying power.
From linear guides and ball screws, to spindle bearings, to servo motors and vector drives, we don't have to cut corners to provide excellent performance. Great designs and serious volume is how we do it. How can I be sure of the quality of my machine? In addition to all the quality checks made during the build procedure, each machine has to pass a series of rigorous final inspections before it's signed off as complete. We put it through its paces just like you will when it's sitting on your shop floor. Geometry checks, a tool changer test, a ball bar test to accurately check simultaneous axis motion, a leak test, a vibration check to ensure the spindle is running perfectly, and of course, a final cut test to cap things off.
Let's talk about this VF3SS, a 12,000 RPM spindle that generates as much as 45 horsepower, a super speed 30 pocket side mount tool changer, and 1400 inch per minute rapids. All of that standard. You also get Wi-Fi, our M130 media display, power failure detection, and Haas Connect machine monitoring, also standard. Every machine is built to order, so you only pay for the options you want. And with a wide array of spindles, chip and coolant management options, and the ability to easily turn your 3-axis mill into a 4 or 5-axis machine, you have the choices to customize your machine exactly the way you want. In other words, more machine for your money and more reasons why your next machine should be a Haas.
So let's talk about the HTech. That is our first topic today. HTech is the Haas Technical Education Center. This concept of HTech based on the manufacturing tomorrow require education today. This is our concept, which is equally important for students, educators, also the industry. Because we are the booming word is of Industry 4. Everybody is talking about. That should come in the education actually. So Haas HTech concept highly advocate the concept of futuristic education, and for that HTech concept is working on that. The HTech has a advanced manufacturing labs to boost the careers of the students, educators, and the nearby industries. The real skills, which skills are actually required on the manufacturing shop floor, right from design, planning, production, inspection, test, quality control test, and improvements in the process. So all the complete cycle of the manufacturing of any product, that is taught in the HTech. So these programs are designed by discussing with the industry what their requirement is. Industry's requirement is naturally the 100% hands-on. So this industry-oriented training program design, and these are the based on the nearby industries. There is it's not a concept of one program worldwide. It's regionally, locally, what industry demands are, what skill set they need, in which industry they are supporting. So accordingly, the programs are designed, and the main focus is on 100% hands-on. Means minimum theory and maximum practical. Or whatever student learn in the classroom, immediately he should apply that theoretical knowledge in his practical in an advanced manufacturing lab. That is the HTech concept. Also, we do have HTech conferences, that is worldwide conferences or regional conferences in the HTech itself. So that HTech conference helps for knowledge sharing among the peers. So the HTech is not a technical education center, it's a network. It's a network of all the HTechs, and it connects the students, educators, industry partners, and the technology partner. So in the conference, we have a knowledge sharing sessions for that. People used to share their learning experiences, industry share their expectations. That way the knowledge sharing happens. Then we have the EdTech competitions. These competitions like some part competition or some optimization competition. So students build their part just seeing the drawing. So normally they get 3 to 4 hours to prepare the machine, set up the machine, set up the part, set up the raw material, cutting tools, everything. And the competition helps students to encourage them to make a career in manufacturing. That are the EdTech competitions. Then also the uniqueness of this EdTech concept is, we have a train the trainers program. The train the trainers program designed for the faculties, educators, even for the industry owners or the shop floor managers, supervisors. So they can train their peers, they can train their subordinates on the manufacturing technology. So that is the real education. Also in EdTech centers, we have expert guest lectures from the industry, technology, or the original equipment manufacturers. So industry people used to visit and give their lectures, say half an hour, 1 hour lectures on specific requirements, in which direction industry is going, what should we do, and what they are expecting from the institute. From technology part, whatever is required for the manufacturing, whether it is a machine tool, whether it is a raw material, cutting tools, consumables, lubricants, everything, the probing systems, softwares, whatever the technology, the best technology which is available in the world, we connected with them through this EdTech network, and they give the expert guest lectures to the students. And the OEMs like Haas, they also share their knowledge on the technology side. EdTech also give the global certification, that is OEM certification. In case of Haas, in a second topic we will discuss about that in detail. These are the global certifications for rewarding careers. These certificates are acceptable everywhere. And beauty of the Haas control is, it's a ISO standard G code and M code programming. If you know the Haas control on a smaller machine, the same control is fitted on the bigger machines also of the Haas. So you did not to learn 2-3 different controls, unlike the competition. So that is the beauty of the global certification. Also the continuous improvement is the core of the EdTech center. We used to improve the syllabus, the curriculum, as per the industry demand. We are flexible to adapt the new technologies in the training. EdTech is a common platform for industry and academia. We see actually in India, there is no common platform which is nationwide accepted and which connecting the academia and industry. Say practically what in the industry is facing the problems with the freshers and what academia is facing problems for the placements. All the pain points we know, but the solution is what? Solution is that industry and academia should come on a common platform. So this EdTech will fill that gap between the industry and academics. So it will help, EdTech will help students to get placed or to get chance in a good industrial manufacturing setup for the internship, apprenticeship, and even industry will talk to academia through the conferences or through the visits, through the guest lectures. So this EdTech Center is a common platform. So Philips highly recommend this common platform for industry, academia, that will give a experience of learning, sharing, visiting and networking. So as on today, there are more than 3,500 Haas Technical Education Centers. Out of that, if we go by numbers, 2,200 centers in US and Canada, 1,300 training centers in Europe, and all these centers, these 3,500 plus centers are using 10,000 plus Haas machine tools or all the Haas products in their training. As of today, more than 50,000 students graduated from these EdTechs every year. So every center, as I told earlier, every center is independent and they have freedom to design their own curriculum. They can select the topics, they can frame their own syllabus as per the nearby industry, and accordingly students will get placed. So the main purpose of this EdTech is the skill development, real skills for real careers. And some of the EdTechs are teacher training facilities that is located in all of the regions in US, Canada and Europe. As far as India is concerned, Philips has invested and started our own EdTech in Pune, because Pune is an education hub. So we decided to go with Pune, and there is a separate facility, more than 6,000 square feet. There we conduct the teacher training program. This is the advanced manufacturing lab setup where we train the trainers, and the trainers can pass on the knowledge to their students. So this is not just for the academia. This EdTech will help the industry also. If one industry, any setup is going to expand, so they will need a skilled manpower. So instead of after machine installation, before machine is coming, they can send their freshers or even the experienced staff. We will train them on the actual machine, so that learning curve will get reduced and immediately they can apply the knowledge on the new setup. So this advanced manufacturing is the core of every EdTech. So my next point is Haas certification program. So this certification program is designed by Haas, and it's a unique and very good certification program for the industry, students, even the faculties. Even our engineers are also doing this certification. So what this Haas certification program is? Haas has designed a separate website for this, and this is having a courses from basic to advanced. As of today, there is a basic CNC mill program is available. I will explain you the process in next slide. So these basic to advanced courses are available. So these courses are online training videos. So one can see the videos online, and n number of times you can watch that videos. And after each video, there will be a theoretical test of multiple choice questions. And the condition is you have to clear 100 out of 100. Means say there are 10 questions, you have to clear all the questions, then only you can go to the next video. Otherwise, you have to reattempt the test. So this is the online part. Then the training on production machines. Because this manufacturing industry is a hands-on skill. You cannot just train on a, virtually you cannot train. Unless you try your hands on a production machine, you will not get feel of running an actual machine too, actual CNC machine. So we also provide training on production machines, not the trainer machines. These are actual production machines which are running everywhere around the world. The same machines are used for the training. On that machines, our trainers will give hands-on practical experience to the students by practical training, classroom and lab training. After that, there will be a hands-on practical test. So this test will cover the whatever the student learn out of the videos or the online learning resources or whatever he read on the manuals. So trainer will ask him some questions about the technology, about the product, and student will cut their actual part. Student will set up their part, actually cut their own part. So that is the practical test. And they will verify that part with the drawing. And all our trainers are OEM certified, that is Haas certified trainers. And the curriculum, as I told earlier, it's an industry oriented curriculum. What industry is demanding. Means what industry is expecting that somebody who is joining as a fresher should know at least the basic things. And he should be ready to start work within a week. So that is the Haas CNC certification program is all about. Also, it is not just a certification. Our counselors guide the freshers about the career, what career they can make in the manufacturing, how the manufacturing in India is growing, and which industries are there. Also, we do job assistance for the freshers. In India, we have more than 3,500 customers and 10,000 plus installations. So we used to get the inquiries for the machines also and for the manpower also. So the job assistance, our counselors can easily help the students, job aspirants, to get placed in the manufacturing industry. So this Haas certification program, what is the process? It's very simple process. You just need to register yourself by visiting learn.haascnc.com. There is a simple form. You just put your name, mobile number, email ID, your city, and you will get a verification email on that your email. You just verify the link, and then with your own login ID and password, you can log into the learn.haascnc.com. This online content is absolutely free. There is no charge for the online training. So as I told in last slide, the student or the trainee has to watch the online training videos and clear all the online tests. After that, he can schedule each hands-on practical test at nearest center. So in India, we have more than 9 centers, and nearby center will contact you once you schedule your practical test. Once the test, you have cleared the test, then the trainer will judge within a 5 working days, say by next week, you will download your own certificate as shown in the right. You can download your own certificate in PDF format. And the uniqueness or the beauty of this certification is This is not a regional certificate. This certificate is valid all over the world. So it's a global certification. So it is very helpful. The fresher engineers can mention in their resume that they are Haas certified. They can show this certificate, and this is not just a paper. Behind this certificate, there is actually a basic knowledge, hands-on knowledge, which is expected by the industry. That knowledge is transferred to the student. So this certificate is very valuable, and Haas has done a very good job. Haas is not just selling a machine, or Philips is not just selling a machines. Apart from the business, they are also doing this kind of good things. So by this certificate and by the references, the freshers can start their career in manufacturing. So this is all about the freshers. But what about the people? What about the experienced people? They are already working in the manufacturing. So they can also upgrade their skills to learn the industry 4 ready Haas control system. So they can get a career growth. So this certification is equally important for students, educators, technology partners, also for the industry workers. So this is the process. You please note down this learn.haascnc.com and register yourself. So online content is absolutely free. You can watch the videos n number of times, and you can get this certification. So this is a small video how the Haas CNC certification program works. So I request you to watch this video carefully.
If you're in the manufacturing industry, you're already well aware that there's a serious lack of qualified shop help. Haas Automation wants to address that void in the industry with a new free program that will help give those interested in CNC machining a good starting point to becoming a competent machine operator. Introducing the Haas Operator Certification Program. Whether you are a machine shop owner looking for help, or you have an interest in running a CNC machine, the Haas Certification Program is for you. The Haas Certification Program is a free online curriculum designed to teach the basics of manufacturing and working in a CNC machine shop. Starting with Basic Operator, a series of videos and quizzes guide you through the basics of working in a machine shop. Heavily emphasizing safety, we present simple but thorough discussions of topics like the history of CNC machine, basic shop math, understanding machine shop terminology, how to read a blueprint and understand tolerances, the keypad layout on a Haas control, how to load and unload a part from a vise safely and effectively, and much more. After passing the online training, a hands-on test at a Haas factory outlet will help ensure that the skills learned online translate into real life. Once passed, the student will receive a certificate to show that the course has been completed, and this should help them begin the journey into the manufacturing world with a job in a CNC shop. The Haas Certification Program, another reason why Haas Automation is a leader in the CNC industry.
So what are the career options are available? So in the left, we have listed down all the industries which we are supporting in manufacturing. Additive manufacturing, that is 3D printing. Aerospace, that is aeronautical engineering and space. The automation, that is robotics and automation. Automobile, including the electric vehicles also. Defense means the government and private, both industries. Die mold, Dimold, which is a core industry, which is supporting all the industries actually. Energy, that is renewable energy and traditional energy setups. Engineering consultancy, that one can start his own consultancy also or work with the reputed consultancy firms. Forging and casting, this is a very historical background this industry is having. The jewelry, very precision and valuable industry. And job shops. Job shops are the small setups which supports as a tier 2, tier 3 vendors to the OEMs. So job shop is also a very good industry. Then machine tool and accessories, which we are into. That is machine tools and accessories industry. Then medical, that is medical implants, prosthesis, and the artificial limbs and all the things. Then metrology, all the quality inspection related equipments that is manufactured. That is the metrology industry. And the raw material. Raw material is also very important industry because the quality of the end product is directly depends on the quality of the raw material. Then robotics. In robotics, there is a new trend of collaborative robotics also. And softwares, the CAD, design softwares, the CAM softwares, then analysis softwares. So software is also a big industry. Then sports industry. So why the sports industry is there? Because in nowadays sports is using latest equipments, with electronic or mechanical equipment. So sports industry is also an important industry for manufacturing. Then tooling industry, that is a cutting tools, tool holders, collets and everything. Then toys, this die mold and toys. Toys also is a very big industry and there is a large scope for toys. And skill training. Many companies are specifically into skill training and the work holdings. So we have arranged this list alphabetically, ABCD wise. And on the right, these are the careers. Depends on the interest of the candidate. Maybe it's the design or engineering planning, actual production on the shop floor, then the quality assurance, then the supply chain, right from factory to the end consumer, then sales and marketing of that product, after sales, service and maintenance support, then independent consultancies and the trainers. So these are the career options are available. So actually manufacturing industry is very important for the growth of our country. And Philips highly advocate this thing that nowadays we are seeing the engineers are running away from the engineering. They are trying to get jobs in some different industries. So that should stop. For that, this EdTech concept will work on that. We need a common platform which will bring the industry, educators, that colleges and the students and technology partners like Philips all should come on a common platform to share what are their pain areas and what are the solutions. Everybody is talking about the problems. Everybody is blaming each other. But if we come together and work together for the manufacturing industry, forget about any product. Here we are not promoting any product, we are not selling anything. We are just creating awareness for making this kind of careers. The students should feel that people are supporting them. Government is supporting, industry is supporting, right? Technology is supporting, and the education is also supporting. So these hands-on skills are very important. Theory is also important, but the application of that knowledge that knowledge should transfer in the hands-on knowledge. That is actually a key to build this kind of careers. So I request to visit this website learn.haascnc.com, and I again tell all of you, this is not just about the freshers. This learn.haascnc.com, once you read this website 2-3 times, you will come to know that number of information, plenty of information is placed in an open domain. You can download the complete machine manuals, you can go through that. You can learn the basic programming skills. You can make your own program. And you can also visit the nearest EdTech. And you can ask the help to our experts. So these are our contact details we would like to share. And if you want to know the global EdTech, about the global EdTech network, you can go to haascnc.com/HTEC, that is Haas Technical Education Center. There you will get a complete idea about the EdTech, how the EdTech is, and from last 20 years, how they develop themselves in the US, Canada, and Europe. So Philips would like to bring this concept in India. For that, as I told earlier, we have already started our own center in Pune, that is EdTech Pune. Apart from that, we have tied up with ITM group of institutions. They have a vocational university in Baroda, Gujarat. There we have set up a EdTech lab. And we are going to work with them hands in hand, and we will try to develop a local team of a trained manpower which will immediately help our customers in Gujarat. So these are our contact details. That is 89560-51335. That is our EdTech support line number. Also, you can drop email to support.india@philipscorp.com. Please remember there is double L in Philips. So this is our email ID. So this is from my side. I like to take some questions.
Thank you, Prasad. There is one question which is pending to be answered. So Ms. Kasturi is asking this question. The question is, can we have any Haas CNC simulator for verifying the program?
Yes, sir. Thanks. Very nice question. Haas has their own simulator, and you can simulate the program. This simulator is standalone unit. The same control which is fitted on the machine, the same control simulator is available as a standalone unit. In that simulator, you can program, you can do a manual program also, or even you can simulate the CAM program also. So that simulator is available. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Prasad. Any other questions, if anybody has, can either put in the chat or in the Q&A box. So Mr. Prakash from Ahmedabad University is asking if we can set up a EdTech in their institute. And Mr. Prakash, yes, I'm sure that we would be glad to set it up. Please leave your contact details in the same box so that we can reach out to you. Mr. Gautam is asking if there is any technology center at Ahmedabad. So we do have a Haas factory outlet in Ahmedabad, but we don't have a EdTech in Ahmedabad as of yet. So Mr. Prakash from the Ahmedabad University has just reached out to us. And if everything works out, you might have one soon. Mr. Yash Kumar Patel is asking about the nearest HFO. So we in Gujarat. So we have got two HFOs. One is in Vadodara in the ITM campus, and the second one is in Ahmedabad. Mr. Parik is asking if we have got a center in Mumbai. So we have got a Haas factory outlet in Mumbai, in Navi Mumbai, in Koperkerne. But we are yet to open a EdTech. We are in advanced talks with one of the leading universities. And hopefully by the end of this year, we will have a EdTech soon in Mumbai also. Mr. Bhima Sen is asking if there is any technical center at Odisha. So we don't have a technical center in Odisha, but Prasad, do you have any plans to open up EdTech in Odisha anytime soon?
Yes, sir. In Odisha, there is a Shiksha Vanusandhan University. We are talking with them. They already have Haas milling and turning centers and simulators with them. So we are talking with them to start EdTech in their campus. That is Shiksha Vanusandhan in Bhubaneswar. Yeah.
Thank you. So Mr. Gautam is asking if we would need any solid cam or any other cam software with Haas machine for operation.
Yeah, sir. For basic training, CAM software is not required. You can directly do a manual 2D program. But if you want to do 4th axis, 5th axis milling or the turn mill with Y axis, so that kind of machine tool, you will need a CAM program. Otherwise, Haas control and simulator is sufficient to make a MDI program. Thank you.
Okay. And Mr. Samir is asking if there is a offline simulator option available for practicing.
Yes, yes. The simulator is a standalone control system. This simulator is just a machine tool without an actual machine. It's a complete brain that Haas has put in a small box. And I would like to share the brochure actually because number of questions are coming.
In the meanwhile, Prakash, thank you for sharing the information. We will get in touch with you for opening up a EdTech soon in Ahmedabad.
Nikhil, can you see my screen?
Yes, we can see your screen.
So this is the simulator because number of questions are coming. So I would like to show this simulator on screen. It's a full function Haas control without the machine. The first line is described. And the beauty of this simulator is the same machine front panel is installed on all Haas. And this simulator has having all 3-axis milling, 5-axis milling, HMC, even the turn mill center with Y-axis also. Normal turning, 2-axis turning and turning with live tool, turning with C-axis and live tool, and turn mill center with Y-axis. Even the Haas UMC, that is simultaneous 5-axis machining software, all the softwares are included in one control. It is having a USB control on the right. You can transfer the program in a USB and you can run on an actual Haas machine. The beauty of this control is, as shown below, you can connect this control through Wi-Fi or through the Ethernet on a big screen. That is very good for the classroom training. Another feature is of VPS, that is Visual Programming System. So beginners can do this VPS system. Just they need to fill in the blanks and the complete program is available. That is also available. The USB connectivity is available and mill and lathe common control. The simulator supports both the technologies. And you can have a number of simulators. Even one student or two students can work together on one simulator and classroom training can be done. So this is the simulator. Thank you.
Thank you, Prasad. I will take one last question from Ayush. He's asking if machines support any particular manufacturer for tooling. So yes, I mean not any particular, but all the tooling partners are associated with Haas, and we work with everyone. And all the toolings are compatible with Haas machines.
Even I would like to add on that, Haas has also started their own tooling, that is Haas tooling. And these are the industry standard. Normally we sell in India the BT40 taper for milling and 20 by 20 mm ISO standard shank for turning. So these tools are ISO tools. You can bring any, you can buy any third party tooling and you can put it on the Haas machine. Thank you.
Any other questions? So Mr. Gautam is asking if we supply tooled up machines along with job holding device. So yes, I mean, most of our orders do come for tooled up machines, and we are providing that service to our customers.
So should I show the tip of the day again, or is it, it was okay? Nikhil?
You can show the link once again, I believe.
So this is the website of learning resources. Okay. So on this website, you can see the Haas certification, Haas machine manuals, training documents, and tip of the day, quick pick list. So this Haas learning resources, which I explained in my presentation, I will not repeat it again. The same video which we seen last video, which is available on YouTube also, that is become a Haas certified operator. So manuals, you can download the lathe operator manual for programming, mill operating manual for programming from these links, from these red buttons, and you can also search any alarm which is coming on the machine. You just put the alarm here, and from the drop down, you can select the alarm, select the machine, and you will get the troubleshooting help. You can also search guides and procedures. So Haas is very liberal in sharing the knowledge. It's not a, knowledge is not behind the walls actually, it's an open knowledge, and you can download the troubleshooting guides, the machine manuals, how to procedures. How to procedures means for simple things, you need not a certified Haas engineer should come to your facility. Simple things, you can just watch the video, follow the procedure, follow the documentation, and you can do yourself. The simple things. The beauty of this tip of the day, quick pick list, that is specifically for the beginners. So it starts with what is G code. So this, you can just click this and you can run a YouTube video in a classroom. So all this information is available in free of cost. There is no charge. It is posted in a public domain. Whether you are using Haas or not, that is nothing. That is not important because the G code are standard. So what are the G codes, M codes, and how to set up a vise on your milling machine, how to true the vise, then how to set up the tool offsets and work offsets on this video. Then how to use the edge finder, how to use a dial to true the job. So all these are videos, you can run through this, and these videos are very interactive videos. You can post your queries. So Haas or Philips will answer to that queries also. Even how to use the industry 4 setup, means how to take screenshot of your Haas control and send it to the HFO, that is Haas factory outlet, so they can figure out the alarm. How to back up your program from the machine. So all these things, apart from the machining, you can do on a simulator also. So small institutes, they can start with the simulators. Many institutes are having 510 simulators and they have set up a CNC simulation lab. Because as I told number of times, the G codes and M codes are all standards. You need not to learn a separate programming language. The same, all the industry leading CNC systems and the Haas are same systems. They are following the same G codes and M codes. So I request you to just search Haas learning resources on Google and you will see this page. Also, it will give you a link to the HTech network, why Haas and Haas certification program and the Haas service. Thank you.
Thank you, Prasad. Yeah, I think we'll conclude the webinar over here.
Yeah.
I hope that this webinar was very informative for all the attendees, and it is great that a lot of institutes have shown interest in opening up HTechs, and we will shortly contact you after the webinar and see what best we can work out to open up technical centers. Thank you, everyone. Thank you once again. Have a great week ahead.